Alright, so remember you want to load it up so the tabs are going to get properly crimped. Twist those wires. You see how this one's kind of a little messy. Clean that one up, twist them together. It's kind of hard sometimes. Let's see if I get a close-up shot of the crimp. You want to stick the wire in just a little bit past the sheath. Make sure it goes under the other side so you get a good crimp. Crimp it down. And let's see. There we go. Not bad. Please ignore my dry hands. Let me know if you want me to wear gloves next time.